Are you thinking about starting your next chapter on the beach, maybe on the East Coast of North Carolina? Well, today I am breaking down the top 5 active adult communities in and around Wilmington, North Carolina that all offer sunshine, social life, and zero yard work. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm Tony, your Wilmington, North Carolina real estate broker, bestie, and professional coastal interior designer. I help buyers every single day find and style their dream home in the Wilmington area so that it feels like a beachy sanctuary from day one, a home that fits your new lifestyle. So if you're thinking about retiring or relocating to the North Carolina coast, definitely hit that subscribe button below. I post new videos every single week about coastal real estate, design tips, and what it's really like to live here. And if you're already planning a move or just starting to explore your options, don't be shy. Reach out anytime. I would love to help you find the perfect spot to kick off your next chapter. All of my contact information is in the description below. Now, real quick, if you're wondering why you might want to go 55 plus for your next chapter, well, here's the thing. It's really all about the lifestyle. I mean, you get low maintenance homes, resort style amenities, and neighbors who are basically in the same stage of life that you are. So no noisy college parties next door, no jungle gyms in your backyard, well, unless you have grandkids or you like to climb on them. Just peace, connection, and all the pickleball your heart desires. It's kind of like college, but with much better wine and way more freedom. All right, let's dive into these incredible communities and find one that fits your vibe. Number 1, the Village at Motts Landing. So here's the deal with Motts Landing. This place is like the neighborliest little pocket of Southwest Wilmington you never realized existed. Everything is convenient. Target, Total Wine, Fresh Market, the hospital, and the beach. They're all just a quick drive away. Yet, once you turn onto Motts Village Road, you feel like you're stepping into your own stroll-worthy retreat. The vibe here, it's cozy, it's friendly, and if you want, a bit sporty. There are 2 pools, tennis and pickleball courts, a putting green, and sidewalks winding through colorful landscaping that people actually take pride in strolling along. On top of that, there's an actual community garden. It's perfect for folks who kind of want to garden and kind of want to socialize all at the same time. The homes here are basically all single-story brick masterpieces. They have oversized doorways, open living spaces, and aging-in-place design. But none of that takes away from the design style of the homes. Granite countertops, sleek kitchens with Thermador or Bosch appliances, screened porches overlooking ponds or wooded lots. The homes most definitely show off a little. Prices are hanging around the high 500Ks to 800Ks, which kind of sounds like a lot until you factor in lawn care, aging smart design, and that near the beach but not on the beach tax location. Plus, the median sale price climbed to about 750K recently. So the properties here definitely hold their value. As far as community life goes, they've got clubhouse socials, baking and gardening meetups, card games, morning walks. It's friendly and relaxed. No forced meet and greets, just neighbors acting like neighbors. So yeah, it's not a flashy resort community, but Motts Landing is the kind of place where you can pop out in flip-flops to pick up a latte, wave hello to your friends, scoop herbs out of your garden plot, then chill by the pool with no agenda. If coastal retirement had a comfort food vibe, this is definitely it. Number 2, Dell Webb at RiverLights. Okay, so if you imagine living on the banks of the Cape Fear River in a thoughtfully planned 55 plus neighborhood where your social life basically runs on autopilot, this is Dell Webb at RiverLights. First off, let's talk location. This place is tucked into the RiverLights master plan, so you're 15 minutes from downtown Wilmington, but you also get your own marina village with restaurants, cafes, and shops just a stroll away. Major score for spontaneous happy hours or a weekend bite by the water. Now, the amenity center is amazing. It's 15,000 square feet overlooking a gorgeous 38-acre lake. Indoor and outdoor pools, tennis, pickleball, bocce, a full gym, and even an outdoor amphitheater for live music or movie nights under the stars. There's also a boardwalk that is kind of like stepping into a screensaver if you walk out there at sunset. There's something special about that river breeze and nature sounds that just makes you want to stay permanently. The homes here, they're smartly built for retiring in style, open layouts, zero threshold showers, granite kitchens, private lanais. Some even have sunrooms or bonus flex spaces perfect for a craft room or a yoga nook. Prices hover between the high 400Ks and high 600Ks depending on size and upgrades. A few go higher, but honestly, most folks will tell you that they feel like it's totally worth it once you add up the lifestyle bonuses. And let's talk social life. There's an on-site lifestyle director who runs fitness classes, card nights, wine socials, hobby clubs, you name it. They've pretty much got something every day. This isn't resort living with an HOA. It is resort living in the best possible way. You've got pampering opportunities, leisure amenities, and boats on the river perks, but it's all built for a life that's actual, not just for vacation. It's social but chill, active but optional, waterfront but homey. So if you've ever dreamed of waking up, grabbing coffee on the lake, maybe a morning swim, a walk on the trails, social invite at the clubhouse, and still being 5 minutes from grocery runs and doctor appointments, this is it. Dell Webb at RiverLights blends community, convenience, and comfort for a retirement lifestyle that doesn't slow you down, unless you want it to. Number 3, Terrapin. You know how a place sometimes just feels like it's got potential? That vibe is exactly what Terrapin brings. It's brand new in Leland, just a short drive from Wilmington, like 10 minutes, and not far from Wrightsville Beach and Oak Island either. Terrapin doesn't scream retirement only, but it absolutely welcomes empty nesters and folks craving low-maintenance coastal connected living. Builders like Logan and McKee are rolling out 38 homes in Phase 1. Everything from 3-bedroom charming spots to bigger 4-bedroom layouts between 2,200 and 3,500 square feet. Pricing? It starts in the low 400s, so you're getting a fresh, modern home close to all the action without the beach price tag and in the early stages, which means equity is practically calling your name. But homes are just part of the story here. Terrapin's being built as a community, so you should expect sidewalks, trails, green spaces, maybe pickleball courts, a clubhouse, the pool, the whole starter resort vibe. They even designed it to be golf cart friendly. So if you're dreaming of slow rides to breakfast and a cute baby pink golf cart, you, my friend, are golden. And the best part, it's brand new, which means stainless kitchens, open layouts, shiny everything, no fixer-uppers in sight, and that calming buzz that you are among the first to write your story here. It's got that coastal charm, accessible price, new home energy. Terrapin is basically the fresh face of Leland. Number 4, Compass Pointe. All right, if you have been dreaming of living somewhere that feels like a luxury resort, but is actually your real neighborhood, welcome to Compass Pointe. Now, quick heads up, Compass Pointe isn't technically a 55 plus community, but honestly, it might as well be. Most of the folks living here are active adults, either retired, semi-retired, and the whole place is set up for that laid-back, low-maintenance social lifestyle. So if you're looking for resort vibes with a mix of age ranges, but still super peaceful, this one's a total win. It's gated, it's gorgeous, and yep, it has a lazy river. No joke. It's 410 feet of pure floating bliss with tropical landscaping, cabanas you can drive your golf cart straight up to, and even surround sound speakers playing low-key tunes while you drift. But this is just the start. The heart of the community is the Grand Lanai Pavilion, which is 15,000 square feet of holy smokes, this is my house feels. I'm talking indoor and outdoor pools, a wet bar, a fireplace lounge area, yoga and fitness studios, hookups for live music. It's basically your social hub ready when you are. And inside that wellness center, sauna, steam room, massage options, plus a gorgeous gym with classes from spin to Zumba. That space won Ideal Living's Best Wellness Environment Award back in 2018. So yeah, they've done their homework. Outside, you can walk or bike on miles of trails that wind through Audubon-certified natural areas. Great for morning strolls or pulling the cart to your neighbors for coffee. You want more action? Lighted tennis, plus pickleball courts, kayak launch on Cardinal Lake, and even a fenced dog park for your furry bestie. And golfers, rejoice. The Compass Pointe Golf Club is an 18-hole championship course designed by Rick Robbins with a driving range, short game area, practice green, and a simulator if the wind's wild. Some join as members, others just play day by day. It's laid back luxury with a clubhouse view. Now let's talk homes, because you have options galore here. Patio homes, townhomes, semi-custom, and custom single-family designs. Floor plans offer 2 to 5 bedrooms, 1,500 to 3,300 square feet, starting in the high 300Ks and stretching well up into the 700Ks or more for water views or larger lot homes. Builders like Trust, Logan, and Horizon deliver everything from screened porches to coffered ceilings and 5-burner gas cooktops. Here's a gem. It's super golf cart friendly, so you can literally cruise to dinners at the lanai or to a neighbor's without ever firing up the truck. And the community wins awards for being one of the happiest and best lived places in North Carolina. If you want a forever home that gives you everything, fitness, water fun, social life, pet space, walking trails, golf, and your own resort lounge, this might just be it. It's not a vacation. It's every day. That's what makes Compass Pointe a real standout if you want retirement that feels like a party, until you decide to just float around instead. Number 5, St. James Plantation. Okay, so if you are imagining a retirement spot where your driveway leads straight to a marina, your morning jog is along oak-shaded trails, and your weekend might include boating, beach clubbing, or live music, you're going to want to hear about St. James Plantation. This place is huge. I'm talking 6,000 acres of gated living near Southport and Bolivia, about 25 minutes south of Wilmington. But it feels more like a small coastal city. This one also is not an age-restricted community. However, it was initially designed with an emphasis on attracting retirees and is known for its active adult lifestyle and amenities. There are 4 championship golf courses, each with its own clubhouse. You've got the Reserve Club, Nicholas Design, founders, members, you name it. And let me tell you, you don't have to join every golf club, but if you do, we're talking world-class tees. And they didn't stop there. They've got a deepwater marina on the intercoastal with over 470 boat slips, because retirement on the water equals I need to buy a boat, right? You want to cruise out to the ocean or fish off the piers? Go for it. You've got your own full-service marina restaurant and marketplace right in the gate. Now let's talk pools and beach club. There's 4 indoor-outdoor community pools plus a private oceanfront beach club on Oak Island. Imagine sandy toes and cocktail nights watching the sunset. Yes, please. Fitness? Absolutely. There's a huge wellness and sports complex. Saunas, spa, 24-hour gym, fitness classes, dog parks, tennis, pickleball, over 100 social clubs. Because yes, you can do trivia, theater, quilting, yoga, and still grab a drink after. Trail lovers, buckle up. There are over 36 miles of walking and biking paths through nature preserves, parks, even an amphitheater that hosts concerts under the moonlight. The homes? They've got everything from condos around $350K, cozy cottages in the 600s, to custom $1 million waterfront estates. So yeah, options galore, whether you're downsizing, right-sizing, or spoiled with space. So what's the big picture here? This isn't just a neighborhood. It's your private coastal country club. Biking before brunch, beach days, golf carting to dinner, marina days, fitness and spa, arts and entertainment, a boat at your doorstep, all without leaving the gates. If you want retirement that feels adventurous and luxurious, yet cozy and connected, St. James might just be the one for you. All right, y'all, if any of these communities got you dreaming about golf cart rides, pool days, or finally ditching the lawnmower for good, don't wait. I would love to help you figure out which one fits your lifestyle, your budget, and your vibe. And with my background in interior design, you know that I will help you make your next place feel like home from day one. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up. I've got new videos every week about real estate, design, and coastal living here in North Carolina. And if you're planning a move or you just want to talk through your options, shoot me a message or drop a comment below. All my contact information is in the description below. I'm here for the fun, the questions, and everything in between. So thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully at the beach. See ya!